What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today, well, first off, I want to start off with, I know in the last few weeks I haven't really been posting anything. I know some of you guys have been hitting me up on Messenger and stuff like that. Very kind words, and they can't wait to see my next videos. I greatly appreciate that, but I've been fighting like a flu or something like that the last couple weeks. So last week I did not want to move from my couch, and like 3 days ago I started feeling a lot better and whatnot. So it's been kind of, you know, it's that time of the season, I guess. But so I do apologize, and I'm starting to feel about 98%, 100% better-ish. But so today I'm actually going out to Romeo, Michigan. I'm dropping actually the truck off. That's kind of where I kind of clickbaited you guys at, on selling the ZR2. But no, I am not selling the ZR2. The ZR2 is I love this truck. This truck is amazing. I cannot wait to see what this truck can do outside of what we did in Michigan a few months back, and it was a fantastic time. The truck did amazing on the whoops, and most of that's, like I said before, it's a pretty flat and sandy trails out in Michigan, which is fun, and if it's fun and whatnot. So it's still not at work. So but I am dropping my truck off at in Monroe, Michigan, at Goat Fabrication. If you've never heard of Goat Fabrication, if you've been in the off-road world, or if you've owned a Jeep or anything like that, I'm sure you've heard of the company called Ace Engineering. Adam used to be the owner of Ace Engineering, and now when he sold that a few years back, he started a new company called Goat Fabrication. He's still taking his principles that he did for Ace, and he brought them over to Goat. He does amazing work. So what he does to this truck is gonna be phenomenal. I don't want to give away what I'm actually getting done to it yet until it's in my hands, so I'm kind of leaving you guys on a little bit of suspense. So my truck is going to be in a shop for between 3 to 4 weeks ish, so I'll get it back next, I guess theoretically next year. But after we get that and he gets everything powder coated, he's going to ship me the parts, and then we're going to do an install video and get that ball rolling. And then after that, hopefully the weather's not too crazy, because unfortunately I still don't have a winch on the ZR2 yet, because unfortunately nobody makes a winch mount for this yet. I mean, AEV has one, but it's not out yet, because unfortunately I don't want to go on a trail and get stuck and be the only one there and not have something to really get me out. So that's kind of a bummer that nobody has. I've seen a couple people out, but they've been doing it for like the Z71s and stuff like that. So I should hit him back up to see if he wants to even try it on a ZR2, but I'm not 100% sure. But I'm looking forward to that. But going out to Michigan, we are roughly an hour 13 minutes away from his shop, so we'll probably hopefully get a couple of shots inside and go from there. So like I said, we got stuff in the works. It's just been slowly but surely, and I got stuff in the garage that showed up, and I got a couple more little things showing up for the truck. I think today's Saturday, so it'll either be today or Monday, so I'll put that on the shelf. And the one that's supposed to show up today or Saturday, or if I can talk, today or Monday, that's probably gonna be the first thing I'm gonna put on, because that's kind of an important part, especially with this lift. So I'm actually really excited for that to show up. And so that's where I am right now. So we're gonna go out there, like I said, we're about 80 miles an hour, 12 away. Basically, I think from where I live in Illinois, to his shop is roughly about 5.5 hours. Like I said, that's where we're at today and whatnot for that aspect of it. But if you guys sticked around for this long, you know what, I may just cut it off right there. Just a nice short little video on a good update of my truck. So the next video that you're going to see is probably going to be some upcoming news and stuff, what's going on with the Chevys and stuff like that. So stay tuned for all those. It's I got stuff in the works. It's just been kind of hit or miss, and being sick kind of really slowed that down. So I greatly appreciate you guys. Can't wait to show you guys on this, and it's gonna be good. This product is gonna be good for every trim level, and it's probably gonna end up saving a lot of people some money, especially if people are looking at the ZR2 steps. I know there's other companies out there, but Adam makes some high quality stuff, so stay tuned. If you're looking for stuff, hold off a little bit. So that's where I'm gonna kind of leave you guys off for right now. I know that's not too much of an update, but yeah, we're gonna have some pretty sweet stuff coming to the channel. So stay tuned. If this is your first time checking out my channel, I greatly appreciate you guys smashing, or some people don't like to smash the keyboard. Hit your just hit the like button if you wouldn't mind, and hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it, especially if you like off-roading. Like I said, once we get the truck back and we get parts installed, the video uploaded, we are going to be going to probably, because unfortunately in the Midwest there's not really a lot of trails-ish without me traveling. It's not like a weekend kind of thing. The closest one to me would be in Indiana, Badlands off-road park. It's a fun park. I mean, it's still a park. It's not really a trail, but it's okay. We need something. Right? We need to go to Plymouth. There you go, Plymouth. So once we go. Once we get all these parts done, we're going to go down to Indiana. Hopefully it's not too muddy or stuff like that. Just because I do not have a winch, like I was saying. Once I can get a winch on it, I'm really not going to care. But it's definitely, it's kind of having something that's not going to get you out is not ideal. You should always have something to get you out, and I prefer to have a winch. So, and unfortunately nobody really makes the winch plates, and you gotta kind of go with it. So I don't want to get stuck by any means and then have to call somebody to come save me. So yeah, that's where we're really at today on this video. Like I said, I'm going to try to keep this one really nice and short, and hopefully we will have the truck back here soon. We'll get the parts installed and we'll go from there. So I greatly appreciate you guys watching all my videos, and I actually really appreciate you guys, you know, really finding me on Facebook and you know, just message me. I'll put my Instagram down there so you guys can send me messages. Like I said, I greatly appreciate you guys watching my videos. So I think that's where I'm going to end it right now. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.